In March of 1988, there was a meeting in Terroir, France, with the ministers of health of the largest countries in the world to look at what's the science, what do we know about polio? And over a number of days, 3 days as I recall, we had scientists talking about every aspect, and it seemed as though there was a chance it could be eliminated. The clincher was a man from Rotary by the name of Herb Pigman, who towards the end of the meeting said to these ministers of health that we have at Rotary decided to support polio eradication. You're going to meet Rotarians. And he said they can be of such great help because they know your country, they have businesses there, they know how to transport things. 2 months later, those ministers of health went to Geneva, and at the World Health Assembly, they were able to get a resolution for polio eradication from the world. That was in May of 1988. And so Rotary, from the beginning, has pushed this. And then they continued to up the ante on how much they were preparing for polio. They raised so much that it surprised everyone. And then the Gates Foundation came in. And Bill and Melinda Gates made a challenge grant. We'll put up this amount of money if Rotary can raise a similar amount. And between the two, they've kept this program alive through all kinds of problems. There are only 3 countries left with polio. Nigeria, and they will handle this quite handily, I think, Afghanistan and Pakistan. So you can see the problem with war and violence and what this does at the end. And so it takes more and more money for those fewer and fewer cases. But there's no question in my mind, polio will be eradicated.